Mirabel members. This week has been a busy one. We have had many meetings this week with architects, engineers, and more engineers. And now for your weekly construction update. Blackened metal and glass panels are being attached to the new wine cooler. The entrance to the new private dining room has been revealed. The interior masonry work is almost completed. Tile floor has been laid in the women's massage room. This week has been about the details you'll never see. Wires, wires, and more wires. Cement has been poured in the main entrance water feature. On a side note, the kitchen inspection has been moved to Monday, October 12th. We are doing everything we possibly can to keep that date on schedule and to get that kitchen open as soon as possible. As usual, we will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please log into our website to view our live cameras.